Welcome back. So today, while we wait for the frame machine to arrive, we're going to be working on the balance slash diffuser, whatever you want to call it, for the back bumper. We're going to transfer the tips, the lights, everything we need to our new diffuser, and hopefully mount it on the rear bumper and get it ready to be installed. So let's get started. Els? You could beat that up. I'm going to remove the tips. You're going to go left. You're going to come from this side.
You're making me see when I'm left.
Whatever's easier for you.
How are you supposed to figure this out? What's under there?
Just watching her, kid. I am.
You
Look.
good?
Reveal the screw, Els.
Oh.
Hey, the kid knows something.
Hey.
Kid knows something. You worked on these before?
In my past life.
I think you have.
In my past life.
GT350 Professional. Look at this.
Show the camera. Show the people.
Tips. Scan tips. Alright, let me see if I can pop these through. Put it over here. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yo! Probably gonna have to. Gosh dang, those are some funky rivets right there.
Brief intermission.
Yeah, we're gonna take a little pause for the cause. Tips are out.
That was gross.
You got both tips out. All right, now we got to get these lights out. We got these two lights, or this light, and this light. Come on now, forward.
Is it good?
Whew. Man, it's warm. Broke it.
Dad, it's slipping!
Sorry, I'll hold it. Dude, having a hard time?
Are you having a hard time?
Check it out. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at that. Yes. Not too bad. I like it.
Alright guys, so we finished taking off all of the pieces on the old bumper and we put them on the new bumper, and now we're going to see if we could plastic weld some piece onto the new bumper. My dad's never done this before, so he's going to learn today.
Yes, we are.
I'm going to bring you guys over so you can see. Once he moves out my way. Why'd you look at them like that?
Alright, we ready to put this on, huh?
Finally?
I think so. Alright, we got the balance ready. I'm going to try to connect it to the rear bumper. Oh, before we do that, I need you to come over here so I can explain to you, because we got to be on one side here.
Where's
Alright, take your time.
I don't know.
The neighbor, all you see is his eyes, and sometimes his nose. Howdy, neighbor. Yeah. All right, let's get this side aligned in the tabs, and then you can put the 3 screws in. That side was fun. Put them together. Let's try to get this going here. Yes. Let me lay it out here so you can see what it looks like. Complete rear bumper right there. With everything. Everything that was broken. I'm going to snap it in a little better here, but it's good.
That's good.
It's pretty good.
Alright, what are we doing next?
I want to get in here and remove the intercooler, remove the radiator and the condenser.
Okay.
We're going to do that today. And that'll be it for today. Back bumper and the cooling components will be done.
Can we have a snacky?
Yes, we can have a snack. Break time.
Break time.
We got the back bumper done, pretty much. We're getting ready to take out this radiator, but I forgot that I didn't tell you about a little discovery I made on the car. And yeah, it has a T56 Magnum. It's got a scatter shield, bell housing, whatever, SFI approved. It's got a modern driveline, drive shaft or something with the date of 2022. So somebody put an aftermarket transmission in this, which is pretty nice. I like it. It was something that we didn't know about that was worth some money, which is cool. What do you think about that? Mind blown, right? Don't even know what I'm talking about, do you?
No.
That's okay though. You're gonna figure it out when you start driving. So, we gotta start by taking out these 4 screws. 410s, we gotta get these little braces off. So you can start taking those off. And I gotta get this intercooler off. And then we'll get down into the radiator and condenser. Okay? Okay.
What the heck is this? Did you just hand me?
So you can put it on the machine.
But I wanted this one.
Everybody look at this.
But I wanted this one.
Right. Take the little socket off. Hey! Oh!
But
Get
I.
it. Get the ratchet. Well, that's just great.
Look at the mess you've made.
Wow.
Why is it lime green?
What? Gatorade. You didn't know cars take Gatorade? What am I doing?
Yeah. You gotta tell them. What you doing?
I'm getting ready to pull the radiator off. We just took the intercooler off right here. Intercooler is off. Getting ready to get this radiator up right here. And once we get the radiator out, we should be able to get the condenser out right there. I just took the upper hose off right here. We're about to take the overflow off and go towards the bottom. See what's connected. Charlie. Oh!
Charlie, you bit me.
Look at that.
Charlie, you bit my finger.
Check it out, folks. There's the damage right there. Well, both sides. It's all messed up.
Charlie, you bit my finger.
Goodbye, Fomoco condenser.
So what is this?
It's the radiator.
Radiator.
Got some damage down there at the bottom. See that little leg?
Yeah.
Got one on one side, not on the other. Alright. We got all three of these out. Three needles right here.
Shut up.
This is broken too. Golly. I think I took it out, huh? It's broken right here in the corner. Talk to them.
Talk to them. You just.
Talk to them.
Are you leaving them?
Talk to them.
Alright, guys. Well, that's it for today. We hope you guys enjoyed. And we hope to see you the next time we post, or whenever I finish editing this and releasing it to you guys. But we'll see you next time. Bye!